Well, fine, good evening all. This is Patricia and I am traveling for history. I am in Arlington, Vermont today, and what did I find? By accident, I did not know this was here. This is known as the West Arlington Covered Bridge. It's also known as the Arlington Green Covered Bridge. It was built in 1852 and it is one of the oldest surviving covered bridges in the state of Vermont. It is a town lattice truss bridge, and I'll be showing you what that means inside. The Batten Kill River is the water that it crosses, and there's the river right there. Now, in 2011, Hurricane Irene did damage the bridge, but it was fixed within a few months and then reopened to traffic. So let's do a walkthrough. You know I'd like to do that. I'm guessing this is a walking lane. How strong is this? I'll stay on here. I think it's perfectly fine, but I'll just stay there. Perhaps for bicycles. All right, so we can see it has this metal fencing in front of it, but this is a lattice truss bridge. These are ways to tighten up the crossboards. But it is a lattice design. See, like that sheathing under porches, right? It is getting dark out, so I do apologize. I do have my flashlight on, and well, anyway, and then we can see, maybe we can see the trusses up there. Anyway, they have these sideboards in here. And it was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1973. There we go. You can see the trusses better there. 1852, as it says right out there, with clearance of 10 foot 6 inches. Well, thanks so much for coming with me today. I do appreciate your being here. And until I see you again, have a fabulous rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.